Hello everyone, today we're gonna do fried rice sausage. Let's see what we have. We have oil, rice, sausage, eggs, green onion, garlic, carrot, oyster sauce, sugar, soy sauce, and roti pork seasonings. Let's go, we're gonna do now. Yay, we're gonna do now, let's go.
Okay. Yeah.
First, I'm gonna put oil cooking. And then I'm gonna put the garlic. Do this. Smell good. I like it. And then I'm gonna put eggs. Okay, now we're gonna put sausage. And carrot. Then I'm gonna put rice. All of this. Gonna put sugar and then soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then pork seasonings. Made it delicious. And then green onions. Smell good. Hope it's delicious. Made for mom and dad and me. Ooh, finished now. Wow, look at this. So cool. Hope this delicious. I have a secret. this for yourself. It's very alloy. It's mean delicious. All done, all perfect now. Everything perfect. Done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys can make for your parents. I'm very sure they gonna like this food. Fried rice sausage. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Look at this. Oh. Bye bye guys. See you at next video. It's coming soon. Bye.